Okay, thank you for watching. So after I complete install 3 application, so you can see we got 3 application installed to the radio. So now I want to teach how to play the video. Okay, basically we need to plug in the USB drive first. After we plug in the USB drive, we need to open the music and select entertainment. And okay, let me plug in properly. Okay, so it's detect my pen drive, so we need to select the pen drive. Okay, if let's say we select our pen drive, right, if let's say they play music immediately, then we need to pause. But if let's say it's just loading like this, we can just exit and straight away to open the video player. Okay, so we just wait for a while, then here they come, the video. So here the list. So here the sample the video that I download from the YouTube. If let's say customer install with me, I will teach how to download from the YouTube. Very easy one. So here intro about the video player. So watch the next video related to the speedometer.